Hi friends, in this video we discuss about the calculation tricks because it's essential to know about the calculation tips because it requires a lot of time in the computer exams, and you know that we have always short of the time while solving the problems. Let's discuss about the calculation tricks which are useful while solving the problems. First, let's discuss about the problems numbers which end in 5. Now we are discussing about the squaring the numbers. We'll discuss about the squaring and numbers which end with the 5. Let's give an example 25. 25 square is, you know that 25 square is 625. Now let's see. 5 square here is 25, right? And next number to the 2 is 3. Next number to 2 is 3. 3 2s are 6 is the second number. This is 625. For example, it can be like 35 square. What we have to do here is 5 square is 25 and 3 next number is 2 3 is 4 and 3 4s are 12. This 1 2 2 5 is 35 square, and this is valid when the unit digit is 5. Let me give you one more example. This is valid here in fact 95 square. 5 square is 25 and next number to 9 is 10. 9 into 10 is 90. This is 9025. Right? Now if you have a 2-digit number, it can be a 3-digit numbers, and it's easy to get the square of the number. And one thing more, reverse thing is that any number which has a class 2 digit 25 may have the square root in ending with the 5, or square ending with the number with 5 will have a square as ending with the 25. Next thing is I'll talk about the square of numbers which are neighbors of 100. Neighbor of 100 means a number which are lying around the 100. Let's say 102 square. 102 square means, see here, what we have to do here we are taking the 100. It means we square this unit digit and write it into the 2-digit form. Squaring the 2 and writing into 2-digit form is 0 4. Now we have squared the number 2. What we have to do, we add this 102 with the 2, we'll get 104. We write here as 104. Now 10404 is the square of 102. I hope you got it. No, it's not. It's really interesting way, right? Now come to the next. Let it be 104 square. Now again 4 square, we write into the 2-digit form, that is 16, right? Now we have added the 4 here because here is 4. 104 plus 4 is 108. We write 108 here. 10816 is the square of 104, right? And now you are saying that the numbers this are more than 100. Now what about the numbers which are less than 100? Let me give you the example here. 98 square. Now in this case what we do, this is the number which is twice the less than the 100. That is, the number is less than 2. Right? Now 2 square here is, we write it into 2 form, that is 02. Because here it was 2, we square the 2 because this is something more than, this is 2 more than 100. This is 2 less than 100. 2 minus 2 into minus 2 is positive 4. Now here we have added the 2, here we subtracted. 98 minus 2 is 96. 9604 is the answer, right? Similarly, if I say 96 square, now this is 4 less than the number. 4 square is 16. That in 2-digit form. Now 96 minus 4 is 92. 9216, the square of 96. Now these are the numbers around the 100. What about the numbers, those numbers which are around the 50? Neighbors of the number 50. Can I say it? 52 square. Again is the same process. The 2 square is 04 and 5 52, and write 2 here, will get 54, right? There was the base was 100, so we have written in that way. Here we have to do one thing. Here base is 50. That was the base was 100. This 100 by 2 is 50, right? So we need to divide it by the 2 to make it base 50. That 54 divided by 2 is 2704 is the answer for this equation, right? Similarly, if the question is 54 square. Now again 4 square is 16. Now 54, we add the 4 here, 58. Now this the base is 50. We have to make it 100. We need to divide it by 2. 58 by 2 is 20. 54 plus 58, 50, 29, 2916 is the answer, right? Similarly, if we get the number less than the 50s, let's say 47 square. Now this is 3 less than the number 50. The 3 less than the number 50 is 3 square is 09. Now it is 3 less. Again we will decrease the 3 here. 47 minus 3 is 44. Again we subtract, divided by the 2. 44 divided by 2 is 22. 2209 is the solution for this. Right? I hope that now the calculation will be easier for you. Now this is all about the squares. Right? Now let me discuss about the problems of the multiplications. Now in the multiplication case, single digit, you can multiply easily 3 into 4, 4 into. Now the problems come when the digits become 2-digit numbers and then 3-digit. Let's discuss about the problems of the 2-digit. Let me give you the example. Now you have to multiply 12 with the 13. 12 into 13. Now see the process here. Here the numbers are closer to the 10. We have to check the base. Here the base is now 10. Numbers which are closer to the 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Now this is more than 2. 10 plus 2. This is 10 plus 3. We write 3 here. Now we multiply this 2 and 3. We multiply 2 and 3. It will get 6 here. As the base is 10, we use only unit digit. We will not use the tens digit. Right? Now 3 to the 6. Now what we have to do? We add this 12 with the 3 or 13 with the 2. 12 with the 3 is 15 and 13 with the 2 is 15, the same number. So we write the 12 plus 3 here, 15. 156 is the answer to this problem. Amazed? Yes, it's a fantastic thing over here. So it's not the illusion, it's the correct answer here. Let me give you more example. Now 99 into 98. Now the here base is, numbers are closer to 100. Right? Now here we use the unit digit and tens digit. Number is closer to 100, that is, this is minus 1 to 100, this is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. We use the 2 digits because the base is 100 here. Now 99 minus 2 is 97 and 98 minus 1 is 97. The things are same. We have to decrease with. Now 99 minus 2 is 97, that is 9702 is the answer of this problem. Right? Interesting? Yes, obviously it's interesting here. Let me give you more example. 95 into 96. Again the base is 100. Now this is 5 less than 100 and this is 4 less than 100. 5 4s are 20. We utilize 2 place here because the base is 100. Now 95 minus 4 or 96 minus 5. It's the either way we can do. 95 minus 4 is 91. 9120 is the answer to this problem. Let's make it more complicated. Let's multiply 67 with the 98. You do it by your way. I am doing with my way. Now 98, the base is again, let's say the base is 100, because and here the number is 2 less than the 100. Here the number is 33 less than that. Now we multiply 33 with the 2 is 66, positive 6. And if you subtract this 37 with the 2 or 98 with 33, number would be same. 66, 7 minus 2 is 65. Now 6566 is the solution for this problem. Interesting. And now it's not a problem. When you practice the problems, you might have some doubts. You can put the comment over the video. I'll solve your doubts over there.